Hi children, welcome to mathematics class. This is discussion about 8th class mathematics. Today I am going to explain some important concepts from simple equations. Firstly, look at the board. Here I took a triangle here. ABC is a triangle. In this triangle I am going to extend one of the side BC. BC is one of the side. I am going to extend this up to D. When we extended BC up to D, which makes an exterior angle. So here we call it as exterior angle. This is called as exterior angle. When we draw another angle here beside of exterior angle, that is called as interior angle. That is interior angle. If suppose it is 50 degrees, if it is 50 degrees, this angle will be 130 degrees. Why? Means they are linear pair angles. Linear pair angles lie on a straight line. So this is a straight line. In this straight line, we have two angles lie on a straight line. One angle is 50 and the other is 130. Straight line means it gives a straight angle. Straight angle measure is 180 degrees. So that children, if one angle is 130 degrees, definitely it will be 50 degrees. 130 plus 50, 180. 130 plus 50 must be equal to 180 degrees. So by this reason, if I write 130 here, definitely it will be 50. If I write here 110 degrees, if I write here 110 degrees, what would be the interior angle? Its interior angle will be 70 degrees. 110 plus 70, 180 degrees. So remember everyone, sum of the linear pair angles equal to 180 degrees. But here one is in exterior and the other is interior. So do remember everyone. And one more important point, here we have angle A and angle B also. I just talk about angle C. But now I am going to discuss about angle A and angle B. What we call them? These two are linear pair angles. These two are called as linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. These two are called as linear pair angles. But what we call these two angles? These two angles are called as interior opposite angles. They are called as two interior opposite angles, angle A and angle B. These two are called as two interior opposite angles. So do remember everyone. What would be angle A and angle B? Can you guess that? I will give you a clarity to you. Here the exterior angle is 110. Exterior angle is 110. Sum of these two angles must be equal to 110 degrees. So now you form two angles for angle A and angle B. Their sum is equal to 110. In that way you form two angles for A and B. So I hope if I write here 50 degrees and here 60 degrees, 50 plus 60, 110. 50 plus 60, 110. So what we understand here means 110 degrees is equal to 50 degrees plus 60 degrees. So here children, remember 110 degrees is called as exterior angle. It is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of Plus symbol indicates sum. Sum of two interior opposite angles. Two interior opposite angles. So this is very important property. Exterior angle equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Please note down this formula. This is most important formula. So exterior angle equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. By using this property, we are going to do some problems here. So I hope you understand this theorem. So now let us discuss one problem here. For example, I am going to take a triangle here again. Take a triangle ABC and extend the side BC up to D. This is exterior angle which is 130 degrees, for example. If it is 130 degrees, now here they given one of the angle is x degrees and one more angle is 70 degrees. One more angle is 70 degrees. Now they ask the question, find x. Find x. What is the value of x? How do we find the value of x? I now said to you, exterior angle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. So by this reason we write it x degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Now x degrees is equal to 130 degrees minus 70 degrees. Now x degrees is equal to 130 minus 70, how much? 130 minus 70, I hope it is 80 degrees. 130 degrees minus 70, 0, 0, cancel, 0, 13 minus 7, 6. X is equal to 60 degrees, children. X is equal to how much it is? 60 degrees. So in this way you find x values. So I will give one more problem. So let us you find x. Find x. Come on. 110. Here you take x and here you take 60 degrees. Second problem. PQR and it is yes. Here I am going to take an angle 150 degrees. How much it is? 70 and it is x degrees. Find x here. And third problem, for example, take a triangle ABC and here you write 125 degrees. If it is 56 degrees, here I am going to give x degrees. Find x here. Will you work out these three problems here? Yes, I hope you do. So this is the class for today, children. Thank you for listening. Work out all these problems at homework. Okay? We meet again in the next video. Bye.